Neville Goddard, you are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their desires effortlessly while others struggle, feeling as if life is a constant uphill battle? The truth is, the secret to manifestation is not hidden in complex rituals or mystical practices. It is found in a simple yet profound understanding of how reality works. The key lies in the power of imagination, faith, and the conviction that what you desire is already yours. This is the secret that can transform your life in ways you've never imagined, and once you grasp it, you'll wish you had known it earlier. Imagination is the creative force within you, the very foundation upon which all reality is built. Everything that exists, every innovation, every idea, and every achievement began as a thought in someone's mind. The chair you sit on, the device you're using to watch this, the clothes you wear, all of these were once mere concepts in the imagination of their creators. And just as these tangible objects were brought into existence through imagination, so too can the life you desire be brought into reality by the same process. But imagination alone is not enough. It must be combined with a deep, unwavering faith that what you imagine is already real. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. It is the bridge between your inner world of imagination and the outer world of physical manifestation. When you hold a vision in your mind with absolute certainty, you set in motion the forces that will bring it to pass. This is not wishful thinking, it is the fundamental law of creation. However, faith requires more than just a mental exercise. It demands that you live as though your desire has already been fulfilled. This is the essence of acting as if. When you act as though your wish is already a reality, you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with that reality, making it inevitable. It is not about pretending or fooling yourself, it is about embodying the state of being that matches your desire. When you do this consistently, your outer world must conform to this new state of consciousness. The most significant challenge many face is overcoming doubt and fear. These emotions can be powerful barriers to manifestation because they counteract the faith required to bring your desires to life. Doubt arises when you focus on the current circumstances that contradict your desires, but your current reality is nothing more than the result of your past thoughts and beliefs. It has no power over your future unless you allow it to. The key is to redirect your focus from what is to what can be, from the evidence of the senses to the vision in your mind. To successfully manifest your desires, you must also understand the importance of persistence. Manifestation is not always instantaneous. There may be a time delay between the moment you set your intention and the moment it materializes. This delay is not a sign of failure, but an opportunity to strengthen your faith and refine your vision. During this period, it is crucial to remain steadfast in your belief, regardless of what appears to be happening around you. Persistence is the fuel that keeps the engine of manifestation running. Moreover, the feelings you cultivate are just as important as the thoughts you think. Feelings are the energy that powers your manifestations. When you feel joyful, grateful, and excited about your desires, you are in harmony with the reality you wish to create. On the other hand, feelings of fear, anxiety, or lack create resistance, slowing down, or even blocking your manifestation. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate positive emotions deliberately, regardless of external circumstances. This is where the true power of manifestation lies, in your ability to feel good now, even before your desires have physically manifested. Another critical aspect of manifestation is the principle of detachment. While it is vital to have a clear and focused intention, it is equally important to release your attachment to the outcome. This might seem counterintuitive, but attachment often stems from a place of fear or lack, which can hinder the manifestation process. When you are overly attached to a specific outcome, you may inadvertently create resistance as your focus shifts to the fear of not getting what you want. By letting go of attachment, you allow the universe to deliver your desires in the best possible way, often in ways that surpass your expectations. In this process, it is also crucial to pay attention to the inner dialogue that constantly plays in your mind. The words you speak to yourself, both silently and aloud, have a profound impact on your reality. If your inner dialogue is filled with doubt, fear, or negativity, it will be challenging to manifest positive outcomes. Instead, cultivate a habit of speaking to yourself in a way that supports and uplifts your desires. However, they must be more than just words. They must be infused with belief and emotion. The environment you create for yourself also plays a significant role in the manifestation process. Surround yourself with people, objects, and situations that align with the reality you wish to create. This does not mean you have to isolate yourself from anything or anyone that doesn't match your vision, but rather that you should consciously choose to engage with what supports your desires. Your environment has a subtle but powerful influence on your thoughts and emotions, so it is wise to curate it carefully. When it comes to manifesting your desires, one of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects is the power of decision. The moment you make a clear and firm decision about what you want, the universe begins to align itself to bring your desire into reality. It's not about hoping or wishing. Those states imply uncertainty. Decision, on the other hand, is an act of commitment. It's a declaration to the universe that you are ready to receive. When you decide, you shift from a state of wanting to a state of having, which is the true essence of manifestation. Making a decision also eliminates the energy of indecision, which can be one of the biggest barriers to manifesting your desires. Indecision creates a state of limbo, a state where you are neither moving forward nor backward, but are stuck in a cycle of inaction. This is a dangerous place to be because it leads to stagnation. Your desires remain unfulfilled not because they are out of reach, but because you haven't fully committed to them. The moment you decide, you break free from the cycle, and your life begins to move in the direction of your desires. Another key element in the manifestation process is the power of intention. Intention is the driving force behind creation. It is the blueprint that guides your thoughts, emotions, and actions towards your desired outcome. However, intention is not simply about setting goals or making plans. It's about infusing those goals with the energy of certainty and purpose. When your intentions are clear and aligned with your true desires, you become a powerful creator of your reality. The universe responds to the energy of your intentions, orchestrating events and circumstances to bring your desires to fruition. As you continue on this journey of manifestation, remind that the power to create lies within you at all times. There is no external force that can stop you from realizing your desires, except your own doubts and fears. You are the master of your destiny, the creator of your reality, and the architect of your future. The secret to manifestation is not in doing more, but in being more. More aligned, more aware, more intentional. When you truly understand this, you will realize that there is nothing you cannot achieve. Now that you have discovered this profound truth, it's time to take action. If you found value in this teaching and believe it can help others, please like this video. Your support helps spread this powerful knowledge to those who need it most. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to stay connected with future teachings that can empower you to manifest the life of your dreams. If this message resonated with you, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. By doing so, you help ensure that more people can access these life-changing insights. And be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on the life-changing content that will be shared in the future. If you feel inspired by what you've learned, why not show your appreciation by liking this video? It's a small gesture that can make a big difference in helping others discover these empowering truths. And subscribing to the channel is the best way to stay informed and continue your journey of self-discovery. If this teaching has impacted you, consider giving it a like. Your engagement is crucial in helping spread these ideas to a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can continue to receive valuable insights that can change your life. If you appreciate the insights shared today, be sure to like this video. Your feedback is essential in helping us bring you more content that uplifts and empowers. And subscribing to the channel ensures you'll stay connected with future teachings that can help you unlock your full potential.